What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. We've had a whole bunch of random crap happen since last time we made a video. I moved the car and I started organizing stuff. It's really unorganized and messy in here because I don't have a lot of space to work on all this and I'm taking things apart. So anyway, I moved the car over and I gotta lift it back up and then pull the O2 sensors off the exhaust, disconnect the header from the mid pipe, which are hiding in there, and then pull the heads after we get the valve covers, spark plugs off. We'll do that. We'll do that too. So yeah, that's what we're doing this episode. Let's get into it. Alright, now we got the car where we wanted. Everything's nice and stable. Seems like. Not gonna die. Good. Don't wanna die. Not underneath the car. So, yeah, next I wanna get under there, undo the O2 sensors. There we go. O2 sensor socket for an impact, which be careful, don't want to break them. So yeah, that's what we're doing next. Gonna take those suckers off. So let's do it. Let's do it. Really, I don't know if I need much other than this. Oh crap. That doesn't fit. Hang on a second here. That could be a problem. I don't know what I did. Oh, here it is. Found it. That's what I was looking for the whole time. So, let's put this together. Now we're ready to go with this weird freaking craziness. All right. Let's see. I haven't done this for a while. I haven't been under here for a while. Crap, I need to be over there. Not over here. Dummy. You dummy. Oh yeah, O2 sensors are way up there. Shnikes. Yeah, those are the not fun ones to undo. I remember that now. Actually, I don't have to undo the O2 sensor right now because it's after the header in the mid pipe, duh. All I gotta do is undo the header to the mid pipe bolt, which I don't know what it is. I want to say it's like a 14 mil, if I recall correctly. Maybe it's a 13. Let's check. Let's check it out. All right. Goes like that. It's definitely not a 13, but I bet you it's a 14. because that felt close. What else we got in here? What's this? 18. What is that for? Oh, that's spark plug. Don't want to break that. Those are handy. We got a 14 down here in this pile. I know we do. I know we do. What about 16, 15, 14? Here it is. Success. Let's see if that fits. Back underneath the car. Boop boop doop doop. Where'd we go? I'm trying to go over here. Dang it! It's a 15. I'm gonna get my sit-ups in today. I'm doing mechanic burpees. Murdered my Christmas tree, finally. Need to recycle that or burn it or something. But hey, I chopped it down. It's kind of weird. If you miss the Boy Scouts coming getting them, then you're kind of screwed. And I totally procrastinated that because I thought it'd be fun to have a Christmas tree for an extra month. Dude, it's still not a 15. I need a light down here. It's just too hard to see. So, I should probably do that. Let's grab a 16 and a 17 just in case. And I'm gonna fix a light problem here. One sec. We've got power. Bam. Next time on Tales from... It's too bright. Good enough. Oh, my car peed. It peed on the ground. Stop pissing everywhere. Dodge. Pissing all over the floor. Dad's gotta clean up the pee. The pink coolant piss. Alright. That feels a little loosey-goosey. I don't think that's the right one. That feels way better. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get that off though. Yeah, pain in the butt. So, let's see. How can we make this less of a pain in the butt? I think what we're gonna have to do is set you all over here. Can you see what we're doing with that angle? I think you can. So, let me adjust this a little better. Boop. We don't have camera crew here. Low budget YouTube channel. I'm the camera crew and the editor and the mechanic and the driver and the. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we're ready. Oh, gee. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I can't perform. You'll have to remove me. All right, say less. This is gonna be interesting. Well, there's some Bucky. There's some Bucky here. Woo! Don't you just love impact drills? How do you friggin' not? How do you live without these things? Then you have to use anti-seize. What a deal. Oops. Might have effed some of the threads up on that. But hey, no one cares. They're exhaust bolts. Get more. And smash them again. Well, at least we got the bolts off. That's not going to be easy to take out of there. We'll figure that out later. And we'll do the other side next. That's what we're doing. That's the plan. That's the plan, folks. That is the plan. So if we just angle our light over that way, and then I'll pass that to my future self, who's about to be over there. Another sit-up. All right. We're making proggy. We're making proggy. Next side. Next side. Coming right up. Upside down. Coming right upside down. Where are we going? Here we go. Header. This is my mid pipe. Should go over there to the X pipe. To the straight pipe. There's just pipes everywhere here. It's a pipe dream. So we're gonna be up there with our buddy, Mr. Impact Drill. Sorry if you can't see this, because I can't see you. Yay! We did it. Whoops. Whoopsie-daisy. Woo! Those all came out like butter. Nicely done. Now, the tough part really is separating those damn pipes, because they do not like to play nice. If I recall correctly, last time I had to do that, it sucked. So, here's cheers. Oop, cheers to sucking. Oh, hope I didn't break that. Cheers to embracing the suck. I'm just gonna leave these little nuts down there. I know what they're for. All right, got those bolts undone. We're making progress here, folks. So, I'm gonna have to spray some of that crap down with anti-seize, the O2 sensors. So we'll do that. And then next on the list is to take these out. All these little guys. The valve cover's got to come off. I think that's what we do next. Disconnect O2 sensors. Let's see. Check our worksheet. We'll check our worksheet here. Leave condenser for AC. Radiator comes out. We did that. Check. Yay. We did it. Unbolt headers for mid pipes. I don't think I need to disconnect the O2 sensors. The manifolds stay attached to the heads. I don't think I need to disconnect the O2 sensors because they're behind the mid pipe. Or they're on the mid pipe. Maybe I have to take the mid pipes off to get the headers out. If I have to take those mid pipes off, I'm pulling the whole exhaust. This is the plan. It's gonna piss a lot of people off. But I don't care, because race car things. And it'll actually be fast, so the noise is justified. I don't know if y'all remember back in the day, a couple years ago, on this channel, on this here very channel that you are witnessing right now, we did 12-inch exhaust dumps right behind the driver and passenger seat, and it was frickin' loud. My car only makes like 300 something wheel horsepower, so it's just kind of like, why are you that loud and not very fast? Well, this here job we're doing, the cam and push rods and oil pump and all the stuff we're putting on over here, super damper, all those things are gonna add another 100 ponies or so. And then I think these things are justified completely. So here's the plan. We're gonna leave it up to fate. Fate is going to determine this. If I can pull the heads off without removing the mid pipes, because I'll leave the short tube headers on the heads, so if they come out fine, we're leaving the exhaust as is. If they don't come out fine, and I have to pull the mid pipes off, we're gonna put these suckers back on, and we're gonna have like halfway dumped exhaust again, but with a cam. And that's gonna be extremely loud and choppy, and it's gonna sound like an NASCAR, and I don't care. So that's the decision. We're gonna leave it up to fate. We'll see what happens. I'm honestly curious because I don't think that those are gonna come out very easily. If we do that, then I'm taking this catback exhaust and I'm gonna cut the exhaust off the Jeep and put the Magnum exhaust on the Jeep. Parking lot pimping. Jeep will sound good that way. It's not loud enough. Same engine. Exhaust will match right up. I'm pretty sure they have a really similar wheelbase, so may have to do a little bit of choppy, but choppy, weldy, or exhausty clampy, whatever. Yep. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Another episode. Next episode, we're gonna tear stuff apart finally and get to the good things. Or we're getting closer. I keep saying that, I feel like. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next episode. More of me talking to myself in my garage with my dog, where's my dog? There she is. Hi, dog. Say bye, Callie. You say bye? Give me a high five. Shake. She's like, nope. Coming out here. Don't step in the car pee. Go on, inside. Go on, good girl.
She's like, geez, Dad, what are we doing?
Anyway, Callie says hi. Callie says bye. See y'all next time. Peace.